So check it out. Still working on some projects, and I really like the MPC era. So I found this tender on eBay. I paid even, I think, less than $10 for it. It's the one with the sound of steam and whistle, the MPC era, and it was missing the little copper piece that tethers it to the locomotive. So I stripped some wire and I soldered on a new one. I got some from Trains a while back, and I put some shrink tube around it, make sure it wouldn't short out against the frame. And I had to clean up the roller pickup on it. That was really dirty, and I had to clean up the wheels and the pickup for those. So I got it sounding pretty good. It gives me an excuse to get the old 8206, the old beast, out and run that with it. So here we go. We'll take it for a spin. And I want to turn the camera a little bit this way, get it a little more level. There we go. That's a nice looking locomotive. It's one of my favorites. The tender is really loud. I also replaced the missing foam protector with a piece of foam from Hobby Lobby that I cut in the shape to protect the board. You always take a chance on whether the boards are any good or not, because you never know what's been done to them, especially when you find pieces broken off, like that copper connector. But for under $10, it was worth taking the risk. And the shell has a couple of broken steps, but I'll find a replacement, because I'd like to paint one with an Erie scheme. So. All right, it's running good, smoking pretty good. It's one of my favorite locomotives. I just love the looks of it. It's just nice, big, really pretty locomotive. And now we got a sound of steam and whistle tender, which is what was intended for this locomotive anyway. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord. And if you buy one of these tenders, make sure before you put any power to them, as I remind with any Mark sound of power tender too, make sure that you replace the foam board so you don't short it out. God bless.